Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome back with me again. I'm Alief Zaki with student number 2041001244040, and I will let you explain about inflectional morpheme. Inflectional morpheme playing an important role in English for adjusting the number, the case, or the agreement in words in order to fulfill the grammatical correctness. And inflectional morpheme usually playing role in tenses, especially in continuous tenses and perfect tenses by adding auxiliary verbs or participle forms. And now there are two types of inflectional morpheme. The first one is regular inflectional form. The regular inflectional form usually consists of standard pattern. For example, wash, when you add with the suffix ed, it becomes washed, which explains that this was happened in the past. And for the plural form, like the word cat, when you add the suffix s, you will get cats in plural form. On the other hand, irregular inflectional forms usually don't have any particular standard pattern, and you have to memorize them. For example, the past form of the verb go is went, and the plural form of the word tooth is teeth. Learners usually find mistake in this case in plural form, possessive form, or in verbs. And now, how to memorize them easily? First, you can exercise yourself by using a sentence frame where there's an incompleted sentence, and your task is to complete them in order to find a grammatical correctness in English. And you can use the method like colorblind test to improve your visualization of each text. And of course, you need to exercise yourself by memorizing the pattern. And yeah, that's understanding inflection and morpheme is fundamental in order to build grammatical correctness or high level or smoothness English language fluency. Okay, maybe learning in irregular inflectional form is more challenging than learning regular inflectional form, because instead of use a particular pattern for each word, you have to memorize them because they are different form of the previous word. So the best method to learn this is you have to make a sentence based on the word you have memorized in order to improve your memorization for each words in irregular forms. Learning inflectional forms, inflectional morpheme in English is essential for both speaking and writing. Because in speaking, you are hoped to be able to express yourself and to explain event that occurred in a particular time. On the other hand, in writing, this is important for you to write your own sentence grammatically correctly. I'm sorry. I mean, you can write a sentence in based on the grammatical law. I think that's all I can explain today. I'm sorry if there are any mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.